Welcome to NFT News, and in today's episode we're going to dive into the latest craze that literally everyone is talking about, NFTs. NFTs stand for Non-Fungible Tokens, and what I can tell you, these are digital assets that allow you to prove ownership of store of value. It could be any tangible item that you have, like a virtual drawing or something physical like fine art or real estate. For those who are yet to understand NFTs, I can tell them that these are crypto assets that are represented in digital form. Yes, we are in the digital world, meaning you can tokenize anything into digital form. Now, I don't want to go into too much detail about the blockchain technology behind NFTs, as I covered a whole video on that yesterday, and there's so much to cover in that, and I have subsequent videos already in the motion for that. But take it from me, the technology that behind the NFTs is something out of this world. It is more profound and complex than dealers dealing away with jokers who use GIFs like memes, thinking they are done by copy and pasting. Absolutely no. With NFTs, it's all about the code, and you don't have to be a programmer to start NFTs. Before I continue, I would like you to like this NFT news video and comment below if you're new to the Barn channel. Subscribe to get amazing content each and every weekday. I've got all of you covered with tons of videos, therefore don't forget push bell notification button so that you can get to know when my latest video releases. Today we will be going over how NFTs have the potential to revolutionize the economical world. And that's the theme of today's video, what the future of this technology is, and we're going to be going over this in 9 chapters. Number 1, NFTs will be the downfall of banks. Number 2, how geopolitical boundaries will become obsolete. And number 3, how creative people have a bigger potential to make money in this new market. Number 4, how the perfect democracy could be created. Number 5, how it imparts social status. Number 6, how it could become the end of the current education system as we know it. Number 7, blockchain will revolutionize everything and why. Number 8, NFTs will benefit the digital industry and how. And number 9, the transformation of real-world assets into digital tokens. NFTs will be the downfall of banks. Banks are the brick and mortar businesses for financial help, but things are about to take a real U-turn really quickly. Since I started using mobile banking, I can't last remember when I stepped inside of a bank. And things are about to change. NFTs are heaven sent. And what I mean by this is that you can lend to anyone without fears of defaulters. The reason is they are smart contracts that are extremely smart. And when I mean smart, like ridiculously smart. Smart contracts hold the securities in escrow accounts, and this machine has no emotions, unlike you and me. The machine debits the amount into the lender's account if the interest and principal are not paid on time. The technology behind NFTs has less room for hacking. To any person, hacking is the worst nightmare, as it outdoes scary dreams. With this technology, people are much safer, as every computer on the blockchain will need to be hacked simultaneously, which is practically impossible. People will replace banks by creating their own interest rate and repayment terms. Isn't this ideal world? The land of milk, honey, and everyone has their own banks. I tell you, both borrowers and lenders will have more options, with everyone in the world will be doing business together. How geopolitical boundaries will become obsolete. NFTs are digital tokens that can be exchanged by everyone and anyone without the need of having a physical address. Whether you are in the UK, Kenya or Nigeria, it doesn't matter with this technology. The US dollar is weak, and in the years to come, it is going to continue to weaken. And it's based on the fact that President Nixon took it off the gold standard, and now the US dollar is literally backed on debt. Who does that? Only the POTUS can do it, not ordinary folks like me and you. Furthermore, communist East Russia favored the blockchain technology as a weapon against the West. Even before Russia invaded Ukraine, Putin had allowed cryptocurrency to be used as means of exchange. And you can imagine the boost it has brought to the crypto world. This is big NFT news and unfathomable. Blockchain technology will shut down the naysayers such as Warren Buffett, and with time to come, every single currency as you know it, from the shilling to the yen to the rupee to the dollar, will be destroyed to this technology, and at that point we will all operate as one country with one economy. Wow, the future has some crazy things in store for us. Now, this technology is going to outlive each and every person in this room. How it favors creative people. Bill Gates said content is where much of the money will be made from the internet. 15 years down the line, we can all attest to this speculation, as everyone is making contents, from their grandma to their grandma's dogs. I must say that he's a guy who's a total futurist and knew what the future had in store like right from day one. Coming to NFTs, it favors creative people as they're more likely to make huge sums of money. This is because of the exceptional and executionable smart contract system which let people get royalties for their art. The perfect example for this are the Paul brothers. Logan Paul released Pokemon NFTs, and anyone who bought these NFTs and later on sold them on the secondary market got royalties. Also, those who purchased his first NFTs got commission on his second collections of 99 unique Polaroid pictures. I mean, this system is made it much safer because those who bid large amounts will be held in escrow until they are out to bid. So it prevents those annoying people who just back off from transactions at the last minute when they are ahead. The system will automatically transact the money if they are the highest bidder to prevent people from backing out. The technology has been made even safer by closing all the loopholes that could be used for counterfeiting. Each NFT has a digital signature and is linked to Logan Paul. There is no way in this God green's earth you can create similar photo NFT royalties that are payments that are designed to compensate the original NFT's creators, because Logan Paul's signature will not be on it. Royalties are usually set by the owner and in the minting process. Royalties range from 5 to 10%, and the payments are automatically added upon each subsequent sale in the secondary market. An example is when you sell your digital art. Every time it is traded, you will automatically get a percentage of the future payment. How it will create the perfect democracy. In today's world, there is nothing like perfect democracy. Even the one of the USA doesn't come close to this democracy it can create. I guarantee that the blockchain technology will give us the perfect democracy whereby all information is availed through blockchain technology. Everyone will be able to see each other's votes, not only lenders, but you and me too. It will be on every single law, from deep societal issues such as abortions to marijuana, making a true majority win society. There will be zero corruption, social status. I like the likes, the views and subscriptions on my videos more than I like Gucci or Dior. I know I'm not the only one, and thanks to NFT news today, I know which one of you have had similar addictions. It is embedded deep in our DNA, and we are moving to an era where digital assets matter more than physical assets. Today, an Instagram or Twitter verification mark is more prestigious than a Rolex because there's a status symbol associated with it. Some NFT projects are taking things a step higher and are offering exclusive access to private events, e.g. with Bored Apes Yacht Club, members attend to an exclusive party in New York. It could become the end of the current education system as we know it, because, as Gary Vee will be extremely proud to hear at this point, Gary Vee for the longest time has been campaigning for the current education system to be replaced by blockchain learning. Crazy, right? Welcome to our new world. Information is becoming more available and cheaper, meaning you will learn only the things that will benefit you and what you're interested in. the value of a degree will become obsolete because it already is outdated and it can't compete with this revolutionary technology. Blockchain technology will revolutionize everything. Transactions recorded on the blockchain cannot be changed. I know the internet doesn't forget, and here are the NFT news neither. So smart contracts will be used in place of lawyers, and deposit accounts to ensure that money and assets change hands and that all the parties honor their agreements. It's only a matter of time before NFTs will be used as defense lawyers and attorneys. Our world won't get any better than this. How NFTs will benefit the digital identity industry. We all have important documents such as title deeds, birth certificates and ID cards. Most often, when I get out of the house, I forget my ID, but never have I forgotten my phone in the last 5 years. We are currently storing identification and ownership data on the blockchain, which increases privacy and data integrity for users all over the world. If any of these documents are required, I'll only have to open my digital wallet and access them from anywhere, even the toilet. The trustless and easy transfer of these assets will help improve the global economy. This is a win-win situation for everyone literally. If the world adapts this technology, we will be creating heaven on earth. Transformation of real-world assets into digital tokens. We are in the right day, time and age, whereby NFTs can real-world assets that can be stored and traded in the blockchain. By so doing, it introduces the much needed liquidity into many markets. Some examples are real estate, rare collectible items, and works of art. I can simply create an NFT that will convert my assets into tokens, which I will use for financial transactions. This is massive and life-changing at the same time. We have seen this in the US, where teens are transforming markets like real estate in the metaverse. The money that these teens are making by transforming real-world assets into NFTs is far more than what most people have made in their entire lives. In conclusion, whether you are against it or for it is irrelevant. It is very likely that within 5 years, all purchases will be made through an NFT. I predict we will buy everything from groceries to beverages to toilet paper via an NFT. So it's better to get educated, as if you are in your 20s or 30s, if not, you could miss out big time. And when I say big time, this is the future. So missing out will literally be the difference between you taking holidays in Barbados and having to grind from 9 to 5 till the day you die. Be sure to watch my other videos where I explain everything to do with NFT news, cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology. Like this video to show love and subscribe if you haven't done so already. My content doesn't bite, and so by hitting the subscribe button, you can comment down below as well, and the push bell notification button below to receive any of my updates and notification on my latest video releases. I put a lot of time and effort into creating this content for you guys and would really mean a lot to me. Anyways guys, this is a wrap for today and see you. Peace.